Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. Today we are focusing on a segment that concerns most working individuals, the personal income tax. Let's break it down step by step so you can grasp this with ease. In Jamaica, if you're an employed or self-employed individual, understanding the nuances of personal income tax is vital. This tax is levied on your earnings, which can come from various sources such as salaries, rental income, or profits from a sole proprietorship business. It's a direct tax, meaning it's collected straight from the individuals by the government. First, let's look at the threshold and rates. Now, the good news is that not all your income is subject to tax. There exists a tax threshold, which is an amount that is exempted from tax, allowing you to take home a certain portion of your earnings, tax-free. The exact amount can vary, and it's always best to check the latest updates. You can do this by visiting iCalculator through the link in the description. Beyond this threshold, a flat rate is applied to the remaining income. This rate is uniform for all individuals. Next, we have deductions and allowances. Before you calculate the tax on your income, you might be eligible for certain deductions and allowances. These can reduce your taxable income further, potentially saving you some money. It's like a little gift from the government, encouraging you to engage in beneficial activities like saving for retirement. Finally, we'll touch on filing your taxes. As a responsible citizen, it is your duty to file your income tax returns annually. This process helps the government keep track of your earnings and the taxes due. If this sounds daunting, don't worry. In our last video of this series, we will guide you through the process of filing your taxes in Jamaica, making it as smooth as possible. Remember, understanding your taxes isn't just about fulfilling a duty. It's about making informed decisions that can potentially benefit your financial health in the long run. Before we wrap up, for a comprehensive exploration of the specific thresholds, allowances, and potential deductions related to personal income tax in Jamaica, we invite you to visit our iCalculator website. The direct link is conveniently located in the description below. This ensures that you have access to the most precise and current information, aiding you in making well-informed decisions on your tax matters. Thank you for tuning in. Join us in our next video where we delve into the general consumption tax in Jamaica. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.